Hope lives always. Even when we struggle to see it, even when we struggle to hear it, hope lives. In Scripture, there was a sound that accompanied people's hope, that accompanied people's victory, and that accompanied God's presence among the people. You'll see it throughout the Bible that it says that they blew the trumpet. Some say the ram's horn before a major battle, or to bring down the walls of Jericho, or at the end of the Bible, it's a signal that God is coming and that Christ is coming. That word for trumpet is translated in most places shofar. And a shofar is not what we think of when we think of a trumpet. A shofar is an animal horn. It doesn't have to be a ram's horn, but any animal where the horn can easily be hollowed out, that's a shofar. And it's that sound that ignites people's spirit. It's that sound that lets people know that they are not alone, and it's that sound that lets people know that God is with them. I had a chance when I went to Israel to see and to hear the sounds of a shofar, and I brought one back. And so today I want you to hear an old sound of hope, and I hope for you that it's an igniting experience, that it's a moment where you start to recognize and feel God's presence in your life, and that you know that God is with you and with us and is standing all over this world caring for each one of us. This is that shofar. Hope is often accompanied with a sound in Scripture. And this coming Easter Sunday, here in Fayetteville, North Carolina, it will be too. Usually we have an Easter sunrise service, and I was really excited this year because the Easter sunrise service that we do with other churches of other denominations as a sign of unity and of hope together was going to be at our new baseball stadium. That's not possible now. And so the other ministers and I have agreed that on Easter Sunday, as the sun is rising in the sky, that we are going to go to our churches, just us pastors, and ring our church bells at the same time, so that the sounds of resurrection, the sounds of hope, the sounds of God's love will flood our city streets, will bounce off of buildings, and will remind people that hope lives.